Hi, good morning, 8th graders. So today we're going to start the new subtopic of our first topic. Jadi kemarin sudah belajar soal can and will, and now we're going to learn about asking for permission and giving or responding for permission. Jadi masih ada hubungannya sama can and will yang kemarin sudah dipelajari. So let's see the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, asking for permission and giving permission. Jadi ada expressionnya sendiri untuk asking for permission and giving permission. So as you know that asking for permission berarti meminta izin, and giving permission berarti responnya kita memberikan izinnya seperti apa. It can be yes, it can be no. And we have a lot of expression for asking for permission. One of them kita sudah pelajari di pertemuan sebelumnya tentang can and will. So can juga bisa digunakan untuk asking for permission. But there are differences between these three phrases. Dari tiga frasa ini itu berbeda. Kalau misalnya kalian masih ingat explanation tentang can and will, can bisa dipakai untuk asking for permission, tapi kalau kalian cerna lagi, can ini pas akan berbeda, karena can biasanya dipakai untuk informal conversation. It can be with your friends, or with someone that younger than you. Ketika kalian asking for permission untuk ke teman sebaya, atau yang lebih muda, you can say, can I? For example, can I play with you? Can I borrow your pen? Diingat-ingat struktur can yang kemarin ya. Ini kan can-nya karena asking, so it means we need to make a question sentence. Berarti bentuknya can-nya dulu, subject baru verb-nya belakangnya. Can I play with you? Can I borrow your pen? Ini lebih ke teman sebaya, informal. But if we asking for permission to the teachers, misalnya, atau someone older than you or your parents, you can say could I or may I. Could I bentuknya sama seperti can I. Jadi could I play with you? Could I borrow your pen? Yang may I wash my hands, sir? May I go to the canteen? Jadi could I and may I itu more polite. Lebih polite lagi yang may I daripada yang could I sebenarnya. So that's why when we have an offline class in the class, usually I ask you to use may I go to the toilet, miss? Daripada kalian bilang, can I go to the toilet? Benar secara struktur, but secara fungsi, secara sentence, I'm not your friends, I'm not your classmate. Jadi masih tetap harus ada perbedaannya antara menggunakan frasa untuk asking for permission-nya. Gitu ya. Jadi use may I or could I to make it more polite. Lebih polite lagi, kalau kalian mau lebih polite lagi, jangan lupa belakangnya dikasih please. For example, may I wash my hands, sir? Bukannya bawa aja. May I go to the canteen, please? Atau can I play with you? Can I borrow your pen, please? Ada semua bisa dikasih please. But for some question sentence, you can put please di belakang sendiri agar membuat itu more polite. Ada yang lebih polite lagi daripada dua ini, could I or may I. We can say, would you mind if? Itu jauh lebih polite daripada may I or could I. Mungkin kan ada di situasi tertentu di mana you have to, like a formal, very formal situation that you have to speak formal to others. Ketika kalian asking for permission, better you use would you mind if, for example, would you mind if I open the door? Jadi bahasa Indonesia adalah keberatan nggak kalau misalnya saya membuka pintunya. Jadi asking for permission tapi in a polite way. Yang paling polite, yang paling sopan, pakainya would you mind if blah blah blah. But here untuk situasi yang formal tapi tidak seformal itu yang lebih sopan karena kalian harus berbicara kepada yang lebih tua daripada kalian. You can use could I or may I. May I go to the toilet, please? Miss, may I go to the toilet? Itu lebih sopan. Oke, daripada can I. Can I hanya untuk teman sebaya atau someone that younger than you. Ya, diingat-ingat. Oke, for giving permission. If you give the permission, jadi kalau ada yang tanya untuk permission dan kalian memberi izin, giving permission, kalau pertanyaannya can, ya jawabannya yes, you can. Kalau pertanyaannya pakai could, yes, you could. Kalau pertanyaannya may, awalnya ya yes, you may. Kalau pertanyaan tadi yang polite, jadi would you mind if I open the door? Jawabannya yes, you would. Jadi dilihat depannya. This is for giving permission. But you can also use another expression for giving permission. Sure, of course. Go ahead. Yes, you can. Yes, you could. Yes, you may. Okay, this is for giving permission. But if you refuse the permission, kalian juga bisa refuse permission karena kan meminta izin. Kalian bisa memberi izin atau kalian bisa menolak karena mungkin dia izin untuk sesuatu hal yang dilarang. So for refusing the permission, you can say no, you cannot if if the question started with can, you can say no, you could not. If the question started with could, and no, you may not, or no, you will not. Itu bisa di shorten ya, can't, couldn't, or may not aja, or wouldn't. Kalau misalnya kita pakai yang would you mind if. Okay, jadi when someone asking for permission, you can giving the permission or you can refusing the permission. Expressionnya ini bisa dipakai semua. Jadi later when you make a conversation, jangan cuma pakai expression yang itu-itu saja, karena sudah mempelajari beberapa expression, termasuk expression asking for permission yang tadi Miss sampaikan, yang sangat-sangat polite, yang kalian bisa pakai ketika kalian benar-benar ada di very formal situation. Okay, that's for today. That's for asking for permission. So now you can go to your next page. There are some questions. You should do it until the end of the lesson so that you can proceed to the next activities. Okay? Feel free if you want to ask, if you still don't understand, feel free to ask. I'll answer your questions. So thank you, everyone. God bless you.